चक्कर ये है कि हमें मजदूरी करनी पड़ती है, हम नहीं चला सकते ऐसे काम ना कि थोड़ा लीपा पोती की और आके कुछ भी लाइनें बोल दी, हमें थोड़ा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। तो हमारा काम हमेशा मजदूरी बना रहेगा, बट इट्स अ फन।
Be out there on the 10th of June. Filmmaking is a very strong and very difficult process. Making a film is one zone, and then releasing a film is another zone itself. So, congratulations to everybody now that you've got a release date. It's going to be out there. I know heart and soul has been put into it. So, we've got a few producers. It's produced by Shailesh Singh, Madan Paliwal, Sutappa Sikdar, and Shaileja Kejriwal. So, just a big round of applause for getting it out there. And now we are at this stage where we will show you what you all have been waiting to see. As is custom, I don't like talking too much before the trailer. So I would like to actually show you the trailer, and then we talk about all the in this kind of cinema. Jo har bari, actually, when I saw Drishyam, I remember I enjoyed it more the second time I saw it, because that bit in the end was fantastic. And that's why I would like to invite this gentleman on stage who just knows how to make cinema look very real, very gripping. The editing is always fantastic, keeps you in a bit of a loop. निशिकांत कामत के लिए तालियां हो जाए। आपने बहुत हार्ड जिंदगी सर महसूस की होगी, इतना रियलिस्टिक हर चीज दिखाते हैं, एंड you just somehow manage to portray it not like a film. When you're watching your films, it looks like this is a part of life. It's just happening out there. There's a camera जो by mistake वहाँ पे लगा दिया था, and all the performances are happening. But that's not the way it is, because I know you're somebody who shows the scenes very well. Also, you're a fantastic actor, so you showed across like that. So, what is the thought process that goes behind a film that you always make, which looks so real?
Good evening, everyone, to start with. I wouldn't know exactly, because I've always followed my instinct while making a film, and tried to stick into some particular zone. Also tried to try different genres. I've never tried to go into one zone, but somewhere it has been how I would like to watch a film. That automatically reflects in the film, I guess. And reality maybe comes natural to me is because our upbringing is very middle class. I've come from a very middle class background. So reality comes very easily to me. Probably that is the reason. And a bit of theatre background, so probably performances also come easily. That's about it.
Whenever somebody has a theatre background, they're very strong with scripting, editing, very important. I think a film can be lost in an edit. Performances अच्छी हो जाएं, लेकिन उसका edit अगर सही नहीं रहता है. So I hear you're very hardcore with, like most directors are, but you're very particular about that also. You constantly go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So this perfectionism is bachpan se hi?
No, two things. First of all, I've got a great editing team. Arif Sheikh, my editor, is a very fine editor. And also, in fact, I can become a problem for him because I used to be an editor before. So I've spent first 5 years of my life editing. So probably...
so do you let go when you're there? You let him do his work?
100%. Because he's such a fantastic editor, I generally don't. Only few things if I feel I'll suggest, but it's all his, maybe.
Now, this film was, it's been made for a while, and it's the process, like I said, picture banana to bahut sare log bana dete picture. But the whole, the relief of it, coming out, every time is it new for you, or sometimes do you take it for granted, and then when it does come out, you're saying, oh my God, because a film release, now that I've seen the other side also for a long period of time, I feel, yaar, picture bana bahut dangerous kaam hai.
No, I mean, every picture has a process. It goes through the entire procedure of एक कहानी जन्म लेती है, लिखी जाती है, फिर actors lock होते हैं, producer आते हैं, और finally picture shoot होती है, बनती है, edit होती है, release होती है. Release के एक अलग paraphernalia से. तो ये procedure जब, this is my 8th film, so first 3-4 films I used to feel के, it's too long, it's never ending. But now probably you start living with it. Because in fact I've been lucky, I've made 4 films in last 2.5 years. So that has been
एक फैक्ट्री खड़ी कर दी है. अभी तो आपकी फिल्म स्टार्ट हुई है, अभी तो प्रमोशन पूरे बाकी है. अभी 1 महीने के लिए नॉन स्टॉप एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ आपको करना पड़ेगा. बट आपके साथ एक ऐसे एक्टर हैं जो कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं दुनिया भर में कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहते हैं. Whenever I see him, he's now so cool and coming like a Buddha. Even what he's wearing today, I like to call, I use great very rarely with actors, but he is great. Irfan sir, would you please come on stage?
शुक्रिया जनाब, थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार।
सर ये प्रोसेस ये तो जी लेते हैं, जैसे कि आगे पीछे चलते रहता है, पहले वो थोड़े से नर्वस होते थे, पहले वो निकलते थे, लेकिन आपके लिए कुछ ना कुछ कंट्री में कुछ ना कुछ जगह पर एक पिक्चर अगर रिलीज हो रही होती है, हाउ इज इट दैट एक्साइटमेंट? यस, दिस इज प्रॉब्ली अ ड्यूअल एक्साइटमेंट एंड विल कम टू दैट, हाउ इट्स अ ड्यूअल एक्साइटमेंट फॉर यू एज वेल. But when you see a film like, first of all, congratulations on Talwar. I think a big round of applause for Talwar. I think it was one of the finest films last year. I remember standing here on stage when you were also there, and it wasn't promoted that much, but my God, it just kept on and on and on. So your choice of films, whether it's Piku, whether it's a Talwar, whether now it's a Madari, it just gets better and better. What is that formula that you managed to do so well all across the world?
Actually, abhi bhi I'm the beggar. I'm not the chooser. I'm still, whatever comes in your way, you want to. The script should ring something inside you. It should do something to you, and then you, try to see whether the people will be engaged or it will be an indulgent film. I sometimes do indulgent films, but I keep a balance, because you have to survive in the market also. So this is a film which was subject was very close, and it had something, simple story, but the emotion was so powerful, and we developed, and then we were looking for somebody, Shailesh and Shalja and Shudapa, that we find some director, and which can feel what it is. और निशी ने पहली बार पढ़ी, and it was like as if he was there from the beginning, and
बड़े इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं हर चीज में. निशिकांत कामत सर के बारे में कुछ एक लाइन बताएं. जब इंटरेक्शन कैसे रहता है? सब लोग बड़े ब्रूडिंग टाइप रहते हैं, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है.
ब्रूडिंग अगर आप बात करोगे तो अब मतलब कुछ डांट पड़ जाएगी आपको. लेकिन हमेशा निशी के सेट पे जो है माहौल बिल्कुल मेडिटेटिव होता है. इट्स लाइक सब लोग जो है जोन में हैं, एंड ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इन अ जोन, एंड विच ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. लाइक अभी हम गाना शूट करके आए, एंड हमें इन्होंने रखी 2 बजे की शिफ्ट हैदराबाद में, एंड मेरी हालत ख़राब हो रही है, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि यार कैसे करेंगे शाम तक. अभी 2 दिन पहले.
अच्छा एंड कट टू कट करना चाहते हैं हर चीज?
नहीं, वो आई थिंक ही रिलाइज ऑन व्हाट हैपेंस देयर. लाइक इस पूरी फिल्म के अंदर हमें पता नहीं था क्या होगा. शूटिंग करते वक्त जब सेट पे आते थे तो इनका भी दिल धड़क रहा होता था, मेरा भी धड़क रहा होता था कि यार किस डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे हम. बट देन दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोसेस व्हेन यू लीव थिंग्स टू हैपन, एंड व्हेन दे हैपन it's a pleasure.
Did you also leave it to be because you knew that he was around and Jimmy Shergill is around?
No, I was blessed with such great actors around. I mean, he's one of the finest in the country, and it was such a great pleasure, honor to work with Irfan Saab again. We worked like 7-8 years back in Mumbai Mere Jaan. After that, and most importantly, it was much easy to interact and understand, because the understanding somewhere, I think so we are similar in understanding scripts and everything. And nothing to say about performances. I mean, मेरे को याद नहीं है कि कभी डायलॉग के लिए रिटेक हुआ है. That never happens from that end. कभी सिर्फ कभी लगा सर थोड़ा ऐसा करेगा वैसा करेगा, but he used to think so much about the character before coming on the set, and that was amazing. I mean, the detailing he used to go into, right from his costumes to everything. In fact, we have a child artist, 8-9-year-old, 7-year-old. We were shooting in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, and when he came for the shooting, Irfan saw the kid and he said कि नहीं यार, ये अगर धूप में इतने दिन से चल रहा है तो
काला होना चाहिए.
हाँ, उसको यहाँ tan होना चाहिए. And he personally took the makeup thing and tanned the guy and all. So that's the level of interest he takes in a film, and it's a great honor to work with such a person.
So you are saving more money also, sir, because you're
चक्कर ये है कि हमें मजदूरी करनी पड़ती है. हम नहीं चला सकते ऐसे काम ना, कि थोड़ा लीपा पोती की और आके कुछ भी लाइनें बोल दी. हमें थोड़ा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. तो हमारा काम हमेशा मजदूरी बना रहेगा. But it's a fun.
But now added pressure on you. आप प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं, तो now you've got another name attached with your
टर्मिनोलॉजी है. मतलब मैं प्रोड्यूसर, मेरा सिर्फ जो योगदान है प्रोड्यूस करने का वो इतना ही है कि हमें लगा था कि ये फिल्म जो है इसका स्ट्रक्चर ऐसे सीधा समझ में नहीं आएगा कॉर्पोरेट को. उनको जो है कन्विंस करना मुश्किल होगा. तो शैलेश साहब आए, एंड देन हमने थीम अरेंज करना एंड प्रोजेक्ट को डेवलप करना, वहाँ तक ही था मेरा. उसके बाद मैं पीछे हूँ, बाकी सब इन्होंने और इनकी टीम ने संभाला है.
इनकी कहानी तो हम थोड़ी देर में सुनेंगे, लेकिन another actor who I feel I think he is one of the most underrated performers, but one of the finest performers. और ये आज भी वैसे ही लगते हैं जैसे वो 15 साल पहले लगते थे. ये राज मुझे पूछना जरूरी है जिमी शेरगिल साहब के लिए, इनके लिए तालियां हो जाए.
And he has evolved as an actor, fantastic, you know. The
He
way
was always brilliant, sir.
Thank you जी, good evening.
जिमी सर, लेकिन ये बताएं सर, मैं आपको 10 साल से देख रहा हूँ सर, वैसे का वैसा, स्किन भी वैसी है सर, स्माइल भी वैसे, एवरीथिंग इज द सेम. प्लीज कैन यू टेल अस व्हाट डू यू ईट और नॉट ईट?
टेंशन खाता हूँ.